Here are some more ways to further optimize and reinforce your lead generation. There are two different ways for you to optimize your lead generation. First, as we've covered in the previous lessons, is through online. The second method is through offline, where our physical presence is needed. Providing a video experience for the audience is a great way to communicate with them. We are living in a visual-heavy time where people are more likely to pay attention to videos than text. You can display a video on video platforms such as YouTube or your webpage that would captivate the audience. In this video, you can insert a call to action and invite them to subscribe to your mailing list. A link to a landing page can be provided on the video itself. Or you can have exclusive contents where only subscribers and members could have access. For them to subscribe, they would have to give you their email address, which you can add to your mailing list. From here, you have increased your leads. Why stop only at your online influence? There are a few ways to grow your leads offline. One of them is to attend speaking conferences. Your network can easily expand from these conferences if you play your cards right. Or, even better, be a speaker. You can present yourself to a large number of people at once. Give a good impression, your reach will be widened. It will not only garner leads, it will also exponentially hone your speaking skills and build your credentials. Television and radio interviews are even better. Unlike conferences, they reach different kinds of demographics and connect you to people outside of your usual crowd. But to reach to the level of speaking for television and radio, you need to start in speaking conferences first. Now that you've learned how to increase your mailing list, you might be thinking, what's next? You don't know the real reason of increasing your mailing list. Now you're ready to monetize your list. Let us have a quick walkthrough on how to monetize your mailing list in this module. After a user subscribes to your site through your landing page, you will lead them to a one-time offer. The one-time offer page is where you can offer them your products with a special deal, where they can't get it from anywhere else but only from you. You have to make it really irresistible for them to buy from you. Besides showing them the one-time offer right after the subscription, you can promote the offer once they've downloaded your free report. For instance, offer them your latest product for only $15 where the original price is $30, and give a call to action, get it now or never. They should feel a sense of urgency to buy it. Moving on to the next one, you can earn a commission from other marketers by fully utilizing your mailing list. When you were building your mailing list, you usually pay other marketers to get traffics and subscribers, but now you can offer to do the same. Send traffic and subscribers to other marketers for a fee. You can earn an additional income by selling solo ads to other marketers. The next technique is to place your back-end links at the bottom of your thank you page. A thank you page is where you lead your prospects or subscribers after they've downloaded the free report. For example, when you're at the grocery shop, when you're waiting in line at the cashier, you spot some chewing gum or snacks by the counter and you end up buying it. It's not because you need it, but you bought it on impulse. The thank you page works exactly like this. While your subscribers wait for the confirmation email for the download link of the free report, they can take a look at the other back-end products that might interest them. Keep this in mind because you definitely wouldn't want to miss the chance to make another sale without any additional effort. Affiliate marketing is another income source for your mailing list. You promote products from other marketers or authors and you earn certain amounts of commission. Creating your own products is time-consuming, but with affiliate marketing, you get instant commissions. In this module, I will show you how to write profit-pulling emails. In the earlier modules, you already know the importance of building a mailing list and the techniques to increase your mailing list. Now, the next step for you is to learn how to write a profit-pulling email for your subscribers. A mailing list is useless if you don't have powerful and engaging emails for your subscribers. The format of an email should be standardized. This is crucial to leave a good impression on your readers. In addition, it will be more personalized when they know it's coming from you, and your readers will appreciate the fact that you took the time to create a valuable content which is beneficial for them. Here is a standardized format you can follow. Create a subject line, content, call to action, and PS line. By following this format, even without any experience in writing emails, you can write a profitable email. Let's look further into the elements one by one now. The subject line acts as the opener. It is the determining factor, whether your email will be opened and read or if it goes into the trash. But don't worry, just follow the criteria listed here, and I can assure you that the open rate of your emails and response from the readers will definitely increase. First, a subject line should not be more than 50 characters. Why? Because the subject line showed in the mailbox can only show so much. Anything more than 50 characters will not be shown, so it's preferable to keep it below 50 characters. Next, you have to answer them, what's in it for me? People usually open an email that is related to their needs. You have to create a sense of urgency for them to quickly open it and make them feel that they would miss something important if they don't. Do not reuse a subject line, even after a long time. Keep your subject line fresh every week and stay updated. Lastly, pique the reader's curiosity, as it's been proven to be one of the most effective ways to engage them. Moving on to the content of your email, it must be simple and straight to the point. Keep in mind that readers will not spend more than 15 or 20 minutes to read an email. Use the simplest word to convey everything you need as fast as possible. Use ASCII characters in writing the emails. The program that comes built in on your computer is called the Notepad. You can write the email in Notepad first and then copy-paste it. Take note of this. Keep every line within 65 characters. This is a time-tested technique, which allows the readers to read better. To make things simpler, there is a free program you can download from the net called NoteTap. A small little bonus here about the content of your email is always writing pre-sell emails. You do not sell in the email campaign yet. The selling comes after they've actually acted upon your email. The email must be able to make them get excited and keep them wanting more of your content or offers. This is the heart of the whole concept of email marketing campaign, the call to action. A bad email will remain unopened and unread. A good email makes the reader open and read, but a good profit-pulling email makes the reader open, read, and act upon it. Insert your own links or affiliate links at least 3 times in the email. Put the first link after the introduction, then the second link after the content, and the third link after the call to action. In addition, you can put another extra link after your PS line, but that is it. A maximum of 4 links in one email. The reason you need to put that many links is to make it easier for your readers. Some of them might not be motivated to click the link after they've read the introduction, or even after the content, but they might be interested to click the link after your call to action. Don't expect them to scroll all the way up again to click on the link. As a result, follow the steps here to put the link in your email. A PS line is an acronym for postscript line, which means contents that come after your signature. It is your last opportunity to make your point to promote your product or service. The PS line is the reminder for you to hook the readers for the upcoming events. As mentioned earlier, the email is a pre-sale letter for your upcoming event. Some bonus tips in writing emails here. To sum up the techniques I mentioned earlier, the first tip is to keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Another powerful human trait that an online marketer must fully utilize is the me factor. There's an age-old question. What's in it for me? The keyword here is me. Remember to answer this question. Speak in terms of you instead of I in your email to make them feel that this email is for them. Continue to the fourth tip. Go easy with exclamation marks. It's a common mistake by most online marketers. They use too many exclamation marks. They assume exclamation marks create a sense of urgency, but in fact, too much of it and it will seem like you are yelling at your readers instead. How do you feel when you see the exclamation marks with red color in this video? This is exactly how the readers feel. Be aware of using all capital letters as well. All capital letters is equivalent to shouting or yelling as well. It doesn't draw attention nor convey excitement. Last but not least, check the spelling and grammar of your emails. Grammatical and spelling errors make your email look unprofessional. That is why proofreading is important. Do not fully rely on the built-in grammar check in Microsoft Word. It doesn't mean it is not accurate, but sometimes it's not completely reliable.
Hi, Abram Kutsie here and a warm welcome to my channel. I value your precious time and my wish for you is that you have found something of real value in this video that will help you to close more leads and to scale your business beyond your dreams. If you have found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification. We will upload one module every week. I quickly want to introduce you to a brand new way to hack your social media profiles to generate unlimited free traffic for your business. It doesn't require any special skills and it doesn't involve running complicated ads. In fact, what I'm about to show you is probably the easiest, fastest and most beginner-friendly way to grow your business with social media today. And I'm willing to bet you didn't even know it existed. The hidden traffic on Facebook. Have you ever been scrolling around on Facebook when a post, like or comment catches your eye? And then for whatever reason you decide to click to view that person's profile page. If you've done that before, you're not alone. I do this all the time. I'll see a post or comment or like that catches my eye, and I can't help but click to their profile page to see who that person is and what they're about. Let's be honest, we all nosy on social media. Have you ever wondered how often this is happening to you? How many people are clicking to view your profile daily? Let's do an experiment where we treat your Facebook profile like a landing page. We'll add buttons, links and call to actions to your products and services in all the right places and watch the magic happen. It will shock you how quickly you get results. You'll immediately tap into a consistent stream of free leads for your business just by making a few simple tweaks to your Facebook profile. And if your profile isn't set up and optimized to capture those potential customers, you're missing out big time. In this blueprint, I'm going to show you how to completely transform your Facebook profile into a lead machine that brings you new customers 24/7. The link will be in the description below this video. I hope I will see you on the other side. Take care, take action, goodbye.